The Apple Watch boasts a plethora of impressive features. In this guide, we've curated 10 simple yet very useful tips and tricks that we deem essential for every Apple Watch owner. Number 1. Ping to find your iPhone. If you can't find your iPhone, tap the phone icon in the Apple Watch Control Center and your phone will make a sound. You can also touch and hold that icon, and now your iPhone will both play a sound and flash its LED to help you find it in the dark. Number 2. Find your Apple Watch using HomePod. Can't seem to find your Apple Watch? You can either ping it from your iPhone or even ask your HomePod to help you find it. Number 3. Get alerted when your heart rate goes very high or very low. You can measure your heart rate at any time by using the built-in heart rate app. However, your Apple Watch can automatically take heart rates at regular intervals and alert you if it goes very low or high. Number 4. Take an ECG. In addition to measuring your heart rate, your Apple Watch can even take an ECG. Note that it's available on Series 4 and later, except for the SE models. Number 5. Get AirPods battery level. Even when your AirPods are connected to your iPhone, you can tap the Apple Watch percentage icon in the control center and then rotate the digital crown to see the battery level of connected accessories. Number 6. Get to the notification and control center even when inside apps. You're not restricted to seeing your notifications or quick controls only from the watch face. With simple gestures, it's easy to get to them even when you're inside Apple Watch apps. Number 7. Switch from the honeycomb home screen layout to a list view. Out of the box, all your Apple Watch apps appear in a honeycomb layout without the app name labels. If you prefer, you can switch to a list view instead, which will show the app icon and the app's name. Number 8. See battery percentage in nightstand mode. When your Apple Watch is charging and is in nightstand mode, simply tap the battery icon and it will show the battery percentage. Number 9. Use your Apple Watch as a flashlight. Unlike your iPhone, your Apple Watch doesn't have a flashlight. However, its tiny screen can turn into a bright white torch or even go fully red for times when you're jogging at night. Number 10. Have your watch get help when you fall down. God forbid it ever happens, but if you suffer a hard fall, the fall detection feature on your Apple Watch can automatically call emergency services as well as text your emergency contacts to get help.